Warning! This video is not for kids. It's for teens, adults, and older fans. And if you are a child, please get parental discussion before watching this. Hey guys. You're surprised to see me again. But it's an unboxing video. The first unboxing of 2025. This is another thing of one of the things that my stepdad ordered for me on the 27th of December when I gave him my Christmas money. And you might already know what it is by some things I've been saying about, so I don't have a pair of scissors or a knife on me, so I'm going to have to use a tiny screwdriver. Okay. Jeez, this thing is hard to open with a tiny dumb screwdriver. Okay, I think it's open now. Oh, I need to open the sides. This is going to be a long unboxing. I'll just screw it. Let's just... Let's not just save the environment by saving the stupid box. Okay, there's the inside. I wonder what's for the inside. Wow. Paper. Whoopee. I need to draw so much fun things on this. Nope. I got this from Amazon. But we have the Wreck and Roll Carly, which is the first one I'm getting this style with the Fisher Price logo. But not just Carly. We have the construction crew, Thomas and Terrence. Sorry if it shows the picture in reverse, but yeah. Let's go, there's the box. So now let's just be right back. Okay, so this is the items. So we have the character up here on the side here, the look for our show, All Engines Go. Same thing for Thomas, but surprisingly, his box doesn't show Terrence for some reason, because Terrence is the main focus of this pack. Let's unbox Construction Crew, Thomas and Terrence, and then we can unbox Wreck and Roll Carly the Crane, or LaGrew. Okay, here he is. And just let me try to take Terrence off the flip-it, because this is my first Terrence merchandise. It has a Trackmaster push-along coupler to make it look like it's a push-along, but it's not. And we have this car with gravel, the Thomas, my Switch. Now let's unbox the Wreck and Roll Carly the Crane, or LaGrew. Okay, she's unboxed. So let's just uncouple her from her cars. So, nice Switch as Thomas. But this Carly, or LaGrew, comes with a wrecking ball. Not an ordinary crane like her regular model does. Different rolling stock. Nice flatbeds. Yeah, and we'll be right back and get some batteries. Okay, got the batteries, so I'm gonna put them in. Okay, we got batteries in them. Let's test them out. Thomas might be a little slow, I think. I'm sorry if Thomas is slow. And that was my first unboxing of 2025. And one more thing. If I ever do make an All Engines Go series, this would have to be my main Terrence. Because there's no regular version. So yeah. Hold on a second. There's this on my finger and I didn't even notice. So yeah. That was my unboxing of Construction Crew, Thomas and Terrence, and Wreck and Roll Carly the Crane, or La Grue.